What's going on, everybody? Sorry if y'all hear the kids yelling in the background. Um, but I'm excited to announce that we have a new app that works with Android and iPhone, and it is called Credit Tracker. I will leave pictures up either here or here somewhere, not sure, whenever I edit the video. If you're a client and you want this, let me know so I can email it to you. I'm only going to send it to the ones that want it because it does have to be sent to you individually. I can't send it to everybody at the same time. Sucks, but hey, it's part of it. Anyway, it's an awesome app. You can keep track of everything. You can even upload documents if you receive in the mail. Just snap a picture with your phone, log into the app, boom, upload it to the portal, and I'll see it. But I just wanted to get this out there so everybody could know that we do have a new app called Credit Tracker. So if you want that app, let me know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you have a great day. So now we have a mobile app, and this is what it looks like inside the app. Just click on account, give you details. You can actually go in here to see the documents that you signed, as well as download them. You can click right here to add new documents. It gives you your scores. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Obviously this is a dummy one with my name, but yeah, it's pretty cool. And if you haven't gotten this yet, let me know so I can send it to you via email, and hope y'all enjoy.